kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I am excited, as usual. I'm coming on, and I want to show you guys how to do digital paper. So I'm just clicking as I'm going along. But if you're new to Canva, let me back up for you, and you don't know how to get here. If you go to Canva, click into your home screen, click on your create a design at the top. You can choose your custom size, which I typically use 11 by 8.5, and that will bring you to where you saw me at in the beginning. Now, today I am going to be creating digital paper, and I'm just playing as I'm going along. But I was in Canva under my element section, and I typed in high heels, and I just wanted to see what pops up. So if you've seen my videos before, I typically use the free items in Canva, but I like some of the shoe designs that I was looking at. So I am just clicking on these designs, and if I'm going too fast, I apologize. If you look under high heels, I'm just clicking through to see what's available. So I found this first shoe here, and I've clicked on that. Now the reason why I like this shoe and chose this shoe, first of all, I like the style of the shoe, but if I wanted to change the image color, I can go up to the top and click it, and I can change the color. And again, if I wanted to make her have a purple shoe or red shoe, I can do those things. So I love that about Canva, that there's a lot of images that I can change to make it the way that I want to look. So let's say we wanted to just make this a whole pink shoe page. We're going to change that one, and now we have pink high heels. If we wanted to get this one in here, that one's black, we can change this one to pink as well. And I'm just throwing pink out there, guys. If pink is not your color, that's fine. You don't have to use pink. It's just showing you that you can choose different colors and make the design how you want to make it look. Now, I am going in here and I'm just scrolling through and picking different ones. Now, there's certain ones that you cannot change. This is a pair that you cannot change. You can click edit image, and you might be able to change some things about the image depending. But you can't just click it and change the color through the color palettes. So just to show you that, so not every image can be changed that way. So you just go through and click, and you find the ones that might be editable if you want to edit it. If you don't want to edit it, that's fine. You don't have to. If you just like these shoes the way they are and you want to put those on your page, because these are really cute, I'll probably come back to these. But if you just like these pumps the way they are and you want a whole page just these shoes, we can delete these out. Boom. You have these shoes. And so let's throw these back in. I don't want too many black pairs because I want it to be a pretty colorful page with a lot of variety on shoes. But I wanted to show you that. But the purpose of it really is, and let me just delete that one out. Sorry, I was trying to think of which one I wanted to keep and which one I wanted to delete. I like these. But if I move these around and just look at the aesthetics of it, I can flip this. And we'll just work with these three for today. So you can choose whatever, 2, 3, whichever ones you want. And I am just aligning them so I can try to have them as even as possible. Now what you want to do is you want to right click all of them. And you can group them if you'd like. You don't have to at this point, but you can. And so let's say we're going to group them. Now they're all one piece that we can move around. That wasn't your eyes, that was me. Now I'm going to scale this down to a tiny little box, and I am going to duplicate this. And so now I'm putting this down here, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to group that together, and I'm going to duplicate it. Now what I'm doing is I'm basically creating digital paper. And so if I want to leave it like this, I absolutely can. Or I can scale it down some more and then duplicate it again. And I can right click on all of it and duplicate it again. And if I'm going too fast for you guys, just rewatch the video. Now I'm going to highlight over all my items because I finally have everything the way that I would want it. And I grouped it. I click group at the top. Now I'm going to just expand it out. And this will make it fit my full page. And so now if you're making planners, if you're making mugs, whatever you want, this is just really cute. And it can be a cute black background. Now I have some uploads on the side, so I'm just going to grab one of my uploads and see what it might look like if I just stuck something in there. So of course this color palette doesn't match with this particular item, but if you wanted to throw her in with this type of background, you could, or you can throw some elements in like squares and blocks like I probably showed you. If you've seen some of my other videos, you can throw this in, size it down, and be able to make this a name box. And let's call her Janet. So we will put that name in this box. I am going to flip it around on a 90-degree angle. Yeah, that doesn't quite look like 90 to me. Maybe it's my eyes. Okay. 90 degrees, and then we are going to expand it out. Now I can enlarge it. I can really just go over here and find like a larger size font and make it fit in the name. Now if everything was the way I wanted it and I wanted to keep this name here, this could be a mug wrap, this could be a journal cover, it could be whatever you really want. Now again, you don't have to stick to these colors, you don't have to stick to this color palette. If you wanted to make this background pink, you could. That I guess seems to be my color for tonight, but I'm trying to coordinate with the shoes in the background. So you can coordinate with that color, and if you just wanted to keep it like this, you can make it an image like that. Or if you had another image, you guys may have seen some of my other videos where I have found some of the women in Canva and just switched them up. So let me try. Nope, that's not one that I want to use. Trying to find something different from you guys that I've been playing with, probably why you haven't seen it. Let me try her. So we can put her down here. We can change her shirt color, change her hair color. We can change her skin color. And if we don't like her hair color, we can change it again. So, and if we wanted to coordinate her top with that, now we have more of a cohesive look. And so we have a background, we have digital paper, we have a name box, we have all these things. So I hope this helped you guys. I really just wanted to show you the digital paper, which is just creating a repeating pattern with different items you're using. But then you can throw other elements on top of your digital paper to be able to create some fun designs. So again, I hope this helped somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys have a great day.